Roblox is an amazing platform that allows users to code, build, and publish games for all users to enjoy. In order to do that though, you'll need to have access to Roblox Studio. In this video, I'll be showing you how to download Roblox Studio and where to go to begin making a game. So we want to make sure we're logged into the Roblox account that we actually want our games to be made on, and then we want to go ahead and click the tab that says Create. That will take us to a website called create.roblox.com, where Roblox already has a tutorial for you once you log on. As you can see, it says your creator journey starts here, and it has 3 buttons that you can click on. We want to click the one that says Download Studio, Get Started with Studio, Roblox Creation Engine. After we click that, we can go ahead and click the blue button that says Download Studio. After that, we want to click Save, and then we can click it again to make sure the installer is running. Now that we've installed Roblox Studio, it's time to see how to actually work it. So if we go back to the Creator Hub, we can scroll down a little bit and see there's actually videos on a bunch of topics that Roblox is trying to curate for you and teach for you. If you're still looking for more information, what we want to do is click the tab that says Documentation, and here you can go through multiple categories like experiences, avatar, growth and monetization, and open cloud. For us, the ones that we want to focus on if we're making a game is experiences. Since we want to learn more about Roblox Studio, we can either click Get Started or Studio. If we click on Get Started, we can see that it allows us to get Studio and take the tour. Alright, and I've went ahead and opened Studio, and this is what the homepage looks like. Luckily, they have a big blue button that says Start the Studio Tour. That's going to take us to this world that they've made in Roblox Studio, and it has a bunch of different options to tell you how exactly to move. If you follow the instructions, it'll automatically go through the entire tutorial for you. The tour goes super in depth and it teaches you a lot of information, but you can also turn to YouTube for more specific tips and tricks on how to work Roblox Studio, how to script, how to build, different things like that. And that's how to get Roblox Studio. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and feel free to leave a comment down below if this helped you out. Thank you so much for watching.